Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel Velza Janvi. I hope you all are doing great guys. So today's video is all about the affordable skincare routine, and for this routine the product which I am using is from brand Good Vibes. Good Vibes is such a pocket friendly brand, and that too it is cruelty free and stay away from the harmful chemicals which is really very harmful for our skin. Now before moving towards the video, I'll request you all to please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you all will be updated with my upcoming video, and that too it means a lot to me when you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. This is the night skincare routine, and the product which I have used for this skincare routine is first product which I have used is Good Vibes Pomegranate Brightening Scrub. It costs rupees 195 and the quantity of the product is 50 gram. I think they have done a full justice with this because you have to use only a little bit of the product. This product has a creamy texture. This has a very creamy texture, and the granules which is inside this product is really very soft. It is not at all very harsh on your skin that it will scratch your skin or something. No, without scratching your skin, it is very soft. It will remove your dead cells, blackheads, whiteheads, and it will give you instant brightness. It literally gives. You can see the video that how it has given a instant brightness to my skin. Now moving towards the benefit of the product, that it has a pomegranate. The pomegranate is rich in vitamin C, A and E, and the dry skin people and oily skin people both will love it because the pomegranate which contains vitamin A, C and E, it is very good for exfoliating your skin without drying your skin. Very best part. And from my side, a big thumbs up to this product. It has a fruity smell in it which is wonder. I just love the smell of this product. When I was applying it, I was mesmerized in the smell only because the smell was so gentle, mild and awesome. Once you will apply it, now you will love it. You are going to love it. A big thumbs up for this product. Still, I'll request you all, before applying on your face, please do a patch test over here or here so that it will be clear to you whether it will be suit to your skin or not. That's it for the scrubbing part. Now moving toward the face mask. The face mask which I use is a Good Vibes Rose Shade face mask. That too is very good. The thing which I don't like in this, it has a high rose smell, रोज़ वाटर स्मेल. अगर आपको वो रोज़ वाटर स्मेल अच्छा लगता होगा तो इट्स गुड. मेरे को उतना ज़्यादा नहीं पसंद है हाई रोज़ वाटर स्मेल का, बट what it claims, it does it work. I love this product because, and I have become a huge fan of this. It has given me instant brightness and dewy glow to my face. My skin was looking much more younger and healthier when I applied this. After just removing this, I saw my skin and it was so good. The main and major ingredient which it has is the rosehip. Rosehip is high in vitamin C, and I do not have to tell you all that what vitamin C do for our skin. If you want me to recap that chapter of vitamin C, I'll recap for you that vitamin C is helpful for removing your hyperpigmentation. It is helpful for removing your acne scars, and it is helpful to lighten up your skin. अगर आपकी स्किन डल हो गई है सन एक्सपोजर से और किसी भी रीज़न से, तो विटामिन सी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है आपकी स्किन को लाइटन अप करने के लिए, ब्राइटन अप करने के लिए. एंड दिस फेस मास्क ऑल्सो क्लियर्स योर पोर्स. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इट ऑल्सो क्लियर्स योर पोर्स. बहुत अच्छा है. एंड दिस आफ्टर रिमूविंग दिस फेस मास्क मुझे ज़रा सा भी ड्राई नहीं लगा, तो ड्राई स्किन पीपल भी इसको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करेंगे. अगर आप इसको ट्राई करना चाहते हो तो आप कर सकते हो. द टेक्सचर ऑफ दिस फेस मास्क इज वेरी क्रीमी, वेरी वाटरी टेक्सचर आप कह सकते हैं। बहुत इजीली अप्लाई हो जाता है, बहुत ज़्यादा इजीली। इसको आप लगा के 15 मिनट्स के लिए छोड़ दो, उसके बाद फिर अपने मनपसंद काम कुछ भी करते रहो। आई जस्ट लव आफ्टर अप्लाइंग अ फेस मास्क मैं इंस्टाग्राम के अंदर घुस जाती हूँ, फिर मैं इधर उधर देखती रहती हूँ उसमें क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा। एंड द प्राइस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट वाज 235 एंड द क्वांटिटी विच इज गिव इज 60 ग्राम। I think it's not bad in this price up to this quantity, and this also you don't have to take a lots of product, small amount of product, it will spread all on your face very easily. Now coming to the last and the main part is moisturizing your face. Whether you want to use a cream, or you can use a cream, or you want to use a serum. ऑयली स्किन पीपल के दिमाग में अक्सर ये इल्यूजन या मैं गलतफहमी कह सकती हूँ कि है कि अगर वो मॉइस्चराइज़र नहीं लगाएंगे तो उनकी स्किन कम ऑयल एक्सट्रैक्ट करेगी। नहीं, अगर आप मॉइस्चराइज़र नहीं लगाओगे तो आपकी स्किन नेचुरल ऑयल एक्सट्रैक्ट करेगी उसको मॉइस्चराइज रखने के लिए, और आपकी स्किन और भी ज़्यादा डल लगेगी। सो प्लीज़ do not forget to apply a moisturizer, that is very important for our skin. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ ये ड्राई स्किन पीपल के लिए ही इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, it is important for our skin too. So the last part of this skin care was moisturizing my skin, and I have moisturized my skin with the Good Vibes Vitamin C and E Age Defying Serum, and it cost rupees 25 and the quantity of this was 10 ml. I think it has done a full justice with it, because you will just need 3 drops of it, and you have to apply it in just pressing it in your skin very gently with your hands. Don't have to just rub your skin, just take a little amount of this serum on your face and just press it down to your skin. It will be easily absorbed. मेरी शायद ऑयली स्किन है तो मुझे ये 2-3 मिनट्स बहुत स्टिकी लगता है अपने स्किन पे। आफ्टर 2-3 मिनट्स ये बहुत ही ईजिली ऑब्जर्व हो जाता है। द पीपल आउट देयर हु हैव अ ऑयली स्किन, शायद उनके साथ भी ये चीज़ हो कि वो स्टार्टिंग में जब लगाएं तो 2-3 मिनट्स उनको थोड़ा सा थिकनेस टाइप का लगे, उनको लगे कि ये शायद गलत सीरम हमने लगा लिया, बहुत स्टिकी है। पर ट्रस्ट मी, आफ्टर 3 to 4 मिनट्स ये बहुत ईजिली ऑब्जर्व हो जाएगा, and yeah, it will do its job very nicely. So as I told earlier in Doship one, that vitamin C literally reduces your acne scars. Today I have acne scars over here and here, आपको वो वीडियो में ऑलरेडी दिखाई दिया होगा। लेकिन आज मैं, ट्रस्ट मी, आई एम स्वेइंग टू गॉड, मैंने ज़रा सा भी कंसीलर यूज़ नहीं किया उसको हाइड करने के लिए। इट वॉज जस्ट अ फाउंडेशन एंड आई कांट सी एनी स्कार्स ऑन माई फेस राइट नाउ। तो या इट डज अ जॉब, और ये बहुत ही रिजनेबल कॉस्ट है। वाइटमिन सी सीरम बहुत कॉस्टली आते हैं, ये इतने में 225 रुपीज़ में सच अ गुड जॉब। आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट गुड विद इट। नाउ वन मोर थिंग, क्योंकि इसके अंदर स्टिकनेस आती है लगाने के बाद, तो व्हाट आई डू, ऑल स्किन पीपल कैन डू दिस, कि आप इसको अपने स्किन केयर रूटीन में रख सकते हो, तो ये आपके लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल होगा। Now if you apply at night, your skin will get time to rejuvenate properly. If you are searching for a good vitamin C serum, and that too you're pocket friendly, you can go for this. So from my side, that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope this video was really helpful for you, and if I have done a justice with this video, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, and do not forget to share this video and sanitize your hand. Love the people around you and yourself. Please follow me on Instagram page. I'll just drop the link of my Instagram page in my description box, and I'll mention all the products which I have used in this video also in my description box. Please do not forget to check out my description box. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, stay happy, stay tuned. Bye bye.